Monkfish rolls is one of my absolute favorite recipes. It's a budget-friendly alternative to lobster rolls, and they are prepared very similarly. So you're gonna start with your chopped up celery if you like it. Add in your choice of herbs, whatever is fresh at hand. We use chives and chive blossoms, add some nice color. Some dill, add in some tarragon, some sorrel, some lemon balm, whatever flavor profile you like. Lemon juice and lemon zest to keep that brightness. Then we're going to add in our monkfish into some butter that is just lightly simmering. So we're butter poaching this fish. Don't worry about overcrowding the pan. We're keeping it at a low temp. Season with some salt. 8 minutes on each side will retain that firm texture that's unique to monkfish, which makes it similar to lobster. Once you chop that up, add it in with some mayo to your chopped up and prepped veggies and herbs. Strain it after we mix it just to keep it from getting soggy. Feel free to use your leftover poaching butter to butter your rolls, or if you have garlic butter on hand. Either one works wonderfully. Griddle your buns so they're nice and crispy on each side, and serve your monkfish mixture in the middle. And this is going to be such a wonderful and refreshing way to enjoy this new type of fish and seafood for your next get together.